Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to live chat on Temu Shopping App. So, in order to do this, first of all, open Temu application on your mobile phone. Now, after opening the application, you will see this interface. Here, you'll have to simply click on U icon at the bottom of the screen. When you click on U icon, it will show up this page where you will see you have your order and messages option. Now, simply click on this small earphone icon at the top, just at the left of this setting icon. When you click on the support icon, it will take you to this page, that is help articles page. Here you will see recommended topics, order issues, product and stock, your security and various help articles. Now, in order to live chat on Temu Shopping App, click on the contact us button at the bottom. Now, when you click on contact us, it will show up this page where you can easily ask your questions, get solutions and do live chat on Temu Shopping App with the support team. So that is the simple way to do live chat on Temu Shopping App. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.